I am going to show you how to earn money re-uploading YouTube videos. And you can actually make decent money like this and like this. You're going to want to stay to the end of the video because just for some reason, in case you do not want to make money like this, I'm going to show you another way that's really cool and easy to do making money. It's one of my favorite. And I'm also going to show you, for some reason, if you do not want to do all of this yourself, how you can just outsource everything. First, hit the subscribe button for me, please. And you're going to want to ring the bell because you're not going to want to miss any of this series that has to do with uploading videos and not show your face. Okay, the first thing that you have to do is actually pick your niche for your channel. Whether it's cars, top 5, 10 best, cats, it really doesn't matter. Something just popped in your head. Do me a favor. I'm so curious. Put it down below. I'd love to know. Put it in the comments. How do you do it? Okay. Take a look at some example channels that are in your niche. This is top 10. It's one of the ones that I showed you at the beginning. I picked one that has a lot of subscribers, that's a huge channel, and one that's a smaller channel. This channel has 3.86 million people. So they're doing something right? If you were to look at their videos and then sort by most popular, it shows you what's actually doing really good and how you can mimic, not copy what they're doing. The most dangerous prison inmates. 10 photos that prove you have we won't go there. I like the 10 craziest animal fights caught on camera. This is wicked. Now let's look at the other side. This is DJ's Aviation. Something completely different, I know. I did that on purpose. Let's look at their videos. Sort by most popular. They have 296,000 subscribers, which is still a lot. But let's see, what is the 747? They still have 1.9 million views. The Boeing 777. Why don't U.S. carriers order okay? I'm not going to lie, this stuff's over my head. But it's cool, right? So now you're probably thinking, but are they making any money? Let's see. All right, this is Social Blade. And if you want to know what any channel is making through the YouTube AdSense, then you can go here and it'll tell you. So they're making between 310 and 5K. So what I have learned is what's more accurate is like a hair lower than this. So they're making around $4,000 a month. That's why I picked two kind of completely on the, good, and they're doing okay. But still, I mean, if I was making $4,000 a month off of one YouTube channel, I don't think that's that bad at all. There's other ways that you can make more money off your channel, and I'll get to that in a little bit. Let's look and see how much the other one's getting. All right, top 10 is getting 1.9 to 30. So, probably around 25,000 a month. So yeah, there's money to be made on YouTube by doing this. I mean, earn money, re-uploading videos. Yeah. Hey, and it's going to take a whole lot less time than putting your face in a video. It takes me a very long time during a week to make a video. When you do one of these videos, I mean, what? It may take an hour.
10 animal fights caught on camera. Giraffe versus lion.
Pictures.
In this shocking fight between a giraffe and a lion in the plains of Africa, most would assume that the Pacific octopus was able to easily defeat the
video.
The eagle tries to use its size to stab.
pictures. Did you see that? Okay, so I can tell you right now what they're doing and how you can do it. What they're doing is they're taking pieces of videos and pictures and they're just combining it all together, just collaborating it. And then with a voiceover going on top of it. That's it, guys. So that's not really hard to do. Now you're probably asking, how and where are they getting all of this? I'm going to show you. Some of it is pieces from videos just like this. You are allowed to take 30 seconds of someone else's video. So you could actually take pieces of this, even this video right here, take pieces of it and put it in your video along with pictures, other pieces of videos of animals fighting, because it just animal fights caught on camera. It doesn't have to be specific about what animal or anything. This here is Pixabay. There's 3 sites that I recommend, and there's even more. All you gotta do is just Google it. But here's Pixabay. If you use pictures, you can use their images. They have videos, and use these to create your compilation, and then mix them in with the other pieces. If you take pieces of the video, let's do animals, because there was a lot of just animal pictures. So an owl was fighting a bird. There's an owl. Starts a kitty cat. No. Okay, there's a lion. See, that's a mean lion. He looks like he's going to be in a fight. But you get the drift. And then, they have videos too. And it's free. This is pexels.com. Same thing. Let's do, I found lions, that lion a while ago. So let's look up lions. Okay. You can be like, I'm fixing to get ready to attack. And then another one is Envato Elements, but you do have to pay for this one. But it's not that expensive. It's one that I use the most because it's where I get my music from my videos at too. See music. But let's do the lions again. Lion fights. Okay. They have too much stuff. I'd have to click on like stock pictures, but let's look at stock video since video. Let's do lion video. So keeps wanting to bring those up. Lion, I guess, was the best example. But you get the drift. So you can pick, say this is a good, I'm glad that this happened, because say we couldn't find a fighting video and it was lions, then that would be the part that take that 13 seconds out of that video, because that would be the part that you would need. Make sense? Then you need a voiceover though, because like that guy was, he was talking over the video. Now you can take a cell phone and do it, for free. You're getting your pictures for free. You can do your voiceover for free. It might even be fun. You never know. And add them together again. Boom. You're done, right? I told you I'd show you how to outsource everything. So if you go to Fiverr is one, and you I typed in voiceover, and I found some. I've actually looked for voiceover before, and there's a bunch. It's $5 and $10. But right now, like this is 10, this is 30, this is 10, this is 5, this is 25. They're kind of just ranging I guess it just depends on who's doing it at the time. And then if you wanted to have an editor, now editing is going to be a little bit more expensive. I can show you another place that you can find an editor. This is Upwork.com. And if you were going to have like a permanent editor, then I suggest going here because you can get someone, and I hate to say overseas, but it's just because they don't make as much money as in the States. But you can find an editor on here where, like, if you wanted to have like thumbnails, like I have my thumbnail person from a guy on Fiverr, or the voiceover or something like that. Again, and if you did find something on Upwork that was a full-time permanent person to do for you for your editing, you might go ahead and look for someone to do voiceover. If not, I just do it per video and do it on Fiverr. And sometimes if you actually reach out and you talk to them and you tell them you plan on doing this long term, they'll give you even a cheaper rate too. How do you edit it? Because that's the next step. Because you're going to take everything and you're going to pull it all together to make a compilation. Now, there is a bunch of free software. I wrote some down for you. There's Movie Maker. I think you have to have a Mac for that. But there's OpenShot, OBS. Those are some really good ones that are free. Now, I use Filmora 9, but it's only $59 forever for life, and you have free updates. So that's what I chose because it's really easy. All you do is, here's some pictures. I'm going to pretend that they're lines. So we pull these down here. And if you have music, then there's a music place right here. Or this would be where you did your voiceover, and you would pull it over here. Now, sometimes I will have, like, this is a subscribe button audio. Then you can pull it here or add something else on top. And then when it plays, it'll mingle everything together. And you need to go back to, if you're going to take pieces of the video. Now, if you wanted to save pieces of this video, then all you would do is take the top part of the video, the actual YouTube video, and then go to y2mate.com and then paste it, and then you can save the audio as an MP4. Okay, we're going to say this is that video because I didn't save it. I just want to show you how to do it. And because all of the software it all works pretty much the same. You'll go to a certain point and you'll chop out whichever part you're wanting. Like this in here, you just use scissors. Delete, delete. And you just kind of compile it together. Does that make sense? I just want to show you. The next thing you're going to want to do is monetize. You can get monetized through YouTube AdSense, or you can actually get monetized a different way and make more money. What? Now, if you're going to get monetized on AdSense, make sure you monetize your channel. But first, you have to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. And the other way I'm talking about is affiliate marketing on your channel. We'll just stick with the same video. And if you were to scroll down, see these links right here? A lot of times you can have affiliate links. And what that is you have a product or software of some sort of another company's, and you sell it and you get a percentage of the profit. They get a percentage of the profit, and then you're helping someone because you've picked good products or services and you have it on your video. So then it also helps the customer that gets the product too through your affiliate link, which is awesome because it's a win-win. Everybody wins. You also have to think about it this way too, because on YouTube, it's evergreen. So which it makes passive income. So eventually, after you keep adding the videos, it'll be slow at first, but the more that you get more traction, you're going to get more money. And then you actually have two ways that you'll be able to get the money too, because you can have your affiliate marketing, and then you're going to have your ads once you're monetized. I almost forgot, guys. Of course, I told you I would teach you how to earn money, how to re-upload YouTube videos. But I also said if you stay to the end of the video, I would show you my number one way to make money. This is it. And it's on the Insider's Guide, because at this time of releasing this video, if you get the Insider's Guide, which is only $1.99, and it's a great book. It's like the best ebook I have ever gotten, ever. You get a 15-day business builder challenge for free. And this is the thing that you have to do. Not only is this freaking amazing, and you're probably thinking it's not worth it because you don't have to pay a whole lot of money. You get it free with a $1.99 ebook. But if you were to buy it by itself, if they quit it where you can't get the book and get this for free, this is only $7. And it is a really good course. I learned lots of stuff, eye-openers. Wow. There's tons of people that took this course and are so successful right now. And a bunch of them I have helped along the way. But if you get the book and take this challenge, then you can apply to also be an affiliate, because I can already tell you that you're going to go through it and you're going to love it and you're going to like it. And you also get a free coach that will hold your hand. And you also still get me to help you through anything you have any questions with as well. Anyways, I had to show this to you. I'll have the link down below. I have the $1.99 ebook, because we can do that right now, and you get this challenge. And again, if you like it at the end, you can. I'm an affiliate for it. I'm not going to lie, because I love it. And I think you're going to love it too. So you can apply to be an affiliate. It has low ticket offers like this. And it has this is only if you do the challenge directly, it's only $7. And you can go up to high ticket from $2,500, $3,000. I think it even has like $50,000 stuff, because the stuff is amazing. So it's the number one way to make money and the number one way to learn, especially affiliate marketing. Okay, guys, I hope you really liked this video. If you did and you haven't subscribed, be sure to do that for me, because it helps me and it helps my channel and helps me get more of this content out to you. Also, this video right here is making money on YouTube without making videos, meditation style. I'll see you on the next one, guys. Love you.